The Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is an automotive icon, a machine built for those who crave adrenaline, speed, and raw power. It exudes a presence that commands attention on the road, blending classic American muscle car heritage with modern technology and aggressive styling. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the wide-body stance, menacing front grille, and signature LED headlights make a bold statement. Every line and curve of its sculpted bodywork is designed to enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics, while the functional air intake on the hood hints at the beastly performance that lies beneath. Slide into the driver's seat, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for those who love the thrill of driving. Premium materials, bolstered sports seats, and an ergonomically designed dashboard create a driver-focused environment. The flat-bottom steering wheel, adorned with paddle shifters, provides a firm grip, reinforcing the feeling that this machine is ready to conquer the asphalt. The illuminated SRT logo and performance-oriented gauges remind you that this isn't just a car, it's an experience. Advanced technology blends seamlessly with muscle car nostalgia, offering a state-of-the-art infotainment system, customizable driving modes, and performance data tracking. The thrill of launching this monster down the road is unlike anything else. Its tires grip the pavement with unrelenting force, and the symphony of its exhaust note is music to the ears of any enthusiast. With just a slight press of the accelerator, it surges forward, responding instantly to every command. The transmission shifts with precision, delivering an intoxicating blend of speed and control. Whether carving through corners or tearing down a straightaway, its finely tuned suspension and adaptive dampers provide a perfect balance of stability and agility. Stopping power is just as impressive as its acceleration. Massive Brembo brakes ensure that it comes to a halt with confidence, providing peace of mind even when pushing the limits. The wide-body design not only enhances its aggressive aesthetics but also improves handling dynamics, offering superior grip and cornering capability. Each component, from the aerodynamically optimized bodywork to the track-ready tires, is engineered for maximum performance. Customization is at the heart of the Challenger SRT Hellcat experience. Owners can tailor the driving dynamics to their preference, choosing between different drive modes that adjust steering, suspension, traction control, and shift points. Whether cruising through the city, dominating the drag strip, or unleashing its full fury on the track, it adapts effortlessly to the driver's desires. Special edition models and unique color options further enhance its exclusivity, making each one a reflection of its owner's personality. The legacy of this machine is deeply rooted in muscle car history. It pays homage to the golden era of American performance while embracing the advancements of modern engineering. The blend of retro styling with cutting-edge technology creates a unique and exhilarating driving experience that few cars can match. It's a symbol of freedom, power, and rebellion, an unrelenting force that refuses to be tamed. Owning one is more than just possessing a car, it's a lifestyle. It turns heads wherever it goes, drawing admiration from fellow enthusiasts and casual onlookers alike. The unmistakable sound, the aggressive stance, and the sheer presence make it a dream machine for those who appreciate high-performance automobiles. The connection between driver and machine is visceral, an unbreakable bond formed by the shared pursuit of speed and excitement. Few vehicles can claim the legendary status of the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. It stands as a testament to American engineering, delivering an unparalleled combination of performance, design, and heritage. Whether on the streets, the track, or simply parked in a driveway, it embodies the spirit of true muscle car dominance. This is not just another sports car, it is a masterpiece of raw, unfiltered power.